Hi there, this is Teacher Francis, and today let's review body parts. Head, head, eyes, eyes, ears, ears, mouth, mouth, nose, nose, arms, arms, legs, legs, feet, feet. Very good. Let's do it one more time. Head, eyes, ears, mouth, nose, arms, legs, and feet. Now, tell me, what do you see here? I see eyes, I see a nose, I see ears, a mouth, two legs, 2 feet, an arm, and a head. Which one is the nose? This one is the nose. Very good. Which ones are the legs? These ones are the legs. Very good. Which ones are the ears? These ones are the ears. Excellent. And the arms? Arms? These ones are the arms. Perfect. Which ones are the eyes? Eyes. Perfect. Very good job. See ya.